Space Vlog Day 2. It is hitting me. I am on the moon.
I'm now in my first week of our mission inside a simulated moon base. So what are we supposed to be doing here anyway?
We actually have a lot on our plate for a 2-week mission, and that is to test various scientific and technological experiments, equipment, do surveys of the area, mostly from a geology perspective, and document all of this.
If I was going to be a value add in space, I'd need to cram Astrobiology 101 fast.
Tried my hand at mining for samples. It was an arduous hammering job with a chisel, but I am now a helpful apprentice to a geologist.
One of the main research goals is to test similarities in Hawaii to what we might find on the surface of the moon or Mars. One of the most important discoveries is a white, powdery substance I've dubbed space cocaine. It bears a strong resemblance to photographs captured by the Opportunity rover on the surface of Mars. Searching for life on another planet may not look like little green guys. It may be kindling for potential life, like these microbes.
I hope I can find comparisons between these rocks here on Hawaii and the rocks on Mars, and hopefully learn something new about hydration processes on Mars.
Just like on Earth, microorganisms aren't only found on the surface. One of the best places to go hunting is inside tunnels and lava tubes. Lava tubes could also be a great place to build our first lunar habitat.
Just a couple of geologists having a nice weekday stroll through lava caves.
Since we won't be hauling concrete to the moon or Mars, natural shelters like this may be our best chance for survival. They protect us from galactic radiation, dust storms, and meteorite impact. And it might be kind of fun to spelunk into a space cave, right? The controlled breath through my helmet while discovering totally foreign territory. It was meditative and majestic. It was also a frightening reminder that the only place we know that looks like home is our home. As much as I love freaky space caves, it was time to head back to base. Fake oxygen was running low, and it was dawning on me that these EVAs were going to be a lot harder than they looked.
You are sweating and your back is hurting and your shoulder is like, okay, we should switch to the other arm.
Not only are we in sweatsuits, fogged up helmets, schlepping heavy gear, but the terrain is rather crunchy.
My shoes are completely shredded. Foxtrot, do you copy? We are right on the side of the hab, approaching airlock.
This EVA had thoroughly kicked my ass. Luckily, nothing soothes hours of treacherous hiking through difficult terrain like a long, hot shower. Oh, wait.
We have only 8 minutes worth of water per week. In the hab, we have to conserve every single bit of water. So, luckily we have solar heaters to keep this from being too bad. But no, it's pretty cool. And, oh, okay. And we're done.
Here's the thing. What you value can change dramatically under new conditions. Money means nothing in space. I taught our European crew Texas Hold'em poker, and we bet time, not dollars, each hand representing valuable seconds of water.
You start to look for things that are different, that are actually, in short supply, and that you only have a limited amount of.
I let our commander win an extra minute of shower time on our first casino night, but my poker face couldn't hide that the difficulties of space life were starting to get to me.